Hello and welcome back to this tutorial where we are implementing a messaging application with Spring integration and Google Cloud pops up. In our last video, we initialized two Spring Boot applications. One was a sender application, one was a receiver application. So since this is pops up, so sender is going to publish a message to a topic and receiver is going to receive the message. Now we have initialized these two Spring Boot application. Now let's work on the sender application. That's the fifth step. We are going to work on the sender application, modify it a little bit so that it can send the messages to Google PubSub topic. The Google PubSub topic has already been created in step number 3. Let's check what's in this video. Before moving forward, guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It'll be really nice. The whole playlist for this code lab, I am going to pin it at the start of uh, my video, so please have a look at the whole playlist. There are step by step videos for every step of the way on the left hand side. Okay, so please have a look at the playlist, and towards the end I'm also going to add the next video about this tutorial. So right now let's move on to step number 5. Let us create an application to send messages. Here they have mentioned that we are creating an application, but we have created it at step number 4 only. We are going to modify it this time. So for that they are asking us to change to the directory of the sending app. Spring integration sender is the sending app. Let's do that. Actually I have got disconnected from the application. I connected and I'm going to clear the screen. Yes, so I have cleared the screen now and I was already in the directory. So this is the sender application that we want to modify. Let us change the directory to sender application, then click on open editor. Here this open editor opens the application. I had already opened it, but you can select the folder anytime, like from here, file, open folder. What you do is you open the sender application, just click on OK. So it opens the whole sender project in the editor here itself in Cloud Shell. How cool is that? Google Cloud allows you to modify your code from the code shell itself. So like any other Spring Boot application, this demo application is the start of demo application class is the start of running this whole application. Let's see. So I'm back to this step. What they're saying, let us check it out. We want our app to write messages to a channel. After a message is in the channel, it will get picked up by the outbound channel adapter, which converts it from Spring message to Google Cloud PubSub message and publishes it to Google Cloud PubSub topic. In order for our app to write to a channel, we can use Spring integration messaging gateway. If you want to check Spring integration messaging gateway, for some reason it's not there, I'll tell you why. What's the reason exactly? What I think is the code that they have written here, that they have mentioned here, is a little bit outdated. If you want to look at the latest code, look at Spring Cloud samples. I'm going to go to that link where I know that there is a sample. See, this is the publish message to a topic. the publish method. So there are these samples which are already committed by Spring Cloud team or the GCP team, but they are already available there. You can just use them. So I'm going to mention the link of this repository in the in the description below. Please make sure you look at it. And this is going to be the latest code, and that's why that URL was not working. But we are still, for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to go ahead, because our goal is to really see a message being published and consumed, and it's okay to use the old way. So what are they asking us to do? Using a text editor from Vim, declare a PubSub outbound gateway interface inside demo application class. So this is the interface they want us to declare. Let us do that quickly. I'm not doing it using VI. I'm doing it using the editor. I'll say Control S. It just saves. Now after doing this, what we have done is we have a mechanism to send messages to a channel. But where do these messages go after they are in the channel? That we have to configure. To configure that, we need a outbound channel adapter to consume new messages from the channel and publish them to Google Cloud PubSub topic. So for that, they are asking us to write this bean. So what is this bean going to do? This bean is going to pick the messages from the channel and publish them to Google Cloud PubSub topic. This is actually an adapter. It is a outbound channel adapter. Okay. Let me make sure I have a little bit of better formatting. And Control S. Let us see. Control S worked. The service activator annotation causes this message handler to be applied to any new messages in input channel. One thing we have missed is the topic name. Okay, so this is the example topic that where the message is being published to. So let me, my topic name is different, so let me change. It is SHG topic. I know that it is SHG topic for sure, so I've changed it. Yeah, so we are calling our outbound channel adapter PubSub message handler to publish the message to Google Cloud PubSub example topic. So this message handler will actually publish the message to the topic on the Google Cloud PubSub. With the channel adapter in place, we can now wire a PubSub outbound gateway object and use it to write a message to the channel. So what are they asking us to do? To write a URL to post the message. How will this URL work? As soon as you hit this slash post message, it is going to use this PubSub outbound gateway bean. This PubSub outbound gateway beans object, and then we have written a code to call send to PubSub to call the send to PubSub method. So we'll just do that quickly. Just copy this. Because of the post mapping annotation, we now have an endpoint that is listening to HTTP post requests, but not without also adding a REST controller. REST controller annotation to Now the endpoint is there, but without adding REST controller annotation to mark it as a REST controller, it's not going to work. So we need a REST controller annotation in this demo application class itself. Ideally, you would create a different class, okay? But let us just go through whatever they are asking us to do. Even defining a object at this location, a bean at this location does not look right to me, but let's go ahead. I've changed it for now, but in the last step they asked me to add REST controller annotation. I have done that, and after that the point is to set the Java home variable. So to do that, I'm going to get out of this editor, okay, and then they are asking us to set Java home. So I think in one of the last videos I have told you why Java home is being set to /user/lib, this directory, because this directory and this Java download actually exists inside Linux, and that is why we are setting this Java home variable using export to this location only. Okay, there are different other versions uh, available as a Java installation, um, but we are going to use Java 17. So let's do what they are asking us to do. Set the Java home. I'm going to pin the video uh, somewhere in the description below, to mention which is that video where I have explained how you can see the Java installation. After that, they are asking us to run the sender application. To do that, first set the project ID in environment variable. So to do that, just set export Google Cloud project, and this, let's try and just run this as it is. I'm assuming core project is going to value of core project is going to know what's the name of my project. It's asking me to authorize. Let's authorize. Okay, done. Google Cloud project variable has been set, and now let's run this application. So we are right now running the sender application, the application which is going to publish a message to the topic, SHG topic, okay? And this application is going to run at port 8080. They are also mentioning this app is listening to post request containing a message on port 8080 and endpoint /post message. So we'll get to this later, but guys, please remember that this application, the sender application, is running on port 8080. Sender port 8080. Let me run the application now. It's not running, it will run, I meant to say. So let's see if it runs. Oh, okay. What's the problem? Is all this, are all these errors only because of imports, is what I'm trying to see. Everything looks like import kind of issues. Let's go and solve them. Okay, the editor also provides nice quick fixes. It provides, it's really nice, isn't it? I think it's pretty nice. I did not even notice it. I was thinking this editor may not be that smart, but you've done damn good, Google. Let's fix all the issues. So I'll fix all the issues and we'll meet in a bit. Hi. So I have actually fixed all the issues. I've just done quick fix for everyone. If there is a better way to fix all the imports in this editor, please let me know. Like if like there is a Control Shift O in Eclipse. If there is anything like that here, do let me know in the comments. Uh, I'll I'll just go to the terminal from here. Let's see. I'm going to clear the screen first and then run the application. So it's building fine. It looks like it's building fine, and the application has even started. Uh, Guys, I'm going to repeat this once more. The sender application, which is sending the messages to the PubSub topic, is running at port 8080, and the messages can be posted using the endpoint slash post message. We will look at the receiver application in the next video. We have talked about the sender application in this video. So please make sure that you stay tuned in to actually run the sender application in the next one. I have mentioned the I have mentioned my playlist down below below my video, and I have also mentioned everything that you need to know, all the URLs in the description below. See you in the next video, guys.